Quick look at what an electrician earns in Colombia. The average salary of an electrician in Colombia is $4,900 a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax it drops to $4,500. This means your take-home pay is roughly $375 a month. If you work in Bogotá, average electrician pay goes up to $5,300 after tax, which is noticeably more than in smaller towns. On top of that, cost of living outside the capital is well below the big city, so lower electrician wages in rural areas can still buy a similar lifestyle. Entry-level electrician income sits below this baseline, but pay rises quickly early on before it plateaus unless you gain more responsibilities. University education is not required for this trade, but having a degree helps you earn higher electrician salary in Colombia when you move up into roles like supervisor or project manager. Finally, small local firms pay the least, while international employers offer substantially higher pay for the same work. If you wondered how much does an electrician make in Colombia, this gives you a clear picture.